All right, kids, here we are. Michael and I. We got the new stock location springs from Team Z Motorsports. We're gonna throw them on the Fox. Hopefully lower the ass end about, I don't know, 5 inches because it sets way too tall. People have been really fast in those springs, so we're gonna see what we can do to get these junk ass Morosos out of here. So stay tuned and we'll toss these hogs in. All right, so we moved the car over to the 2-post lift, and Cody's setting up the lift right now. Usually you want to put it on like the frame or where the subframe kind of is or whatever to lift it up. So we'll do that. Should make it a lot easier to get these springs out. The plan is hopefully to get it up in the air to where we can work on it, take the shocks loose, just one side of them, whatever, and then probably use this trans jack we have and put it under the rear end, and then try to slowly lower it down, and then hopefully the spring will come out pretty easy. The shorter ones will be a lot easier to put in, but these are like, I don't know, probably what, 5-inch lift?
Yeah, for real.
Something like that, so they're not going to be too easy to get out, I don't think. But we'll work with it. We'll get it. Look at Cody doing what he does. Let's see if we can't see this. Like it?
I'm gonna come in on this side a little bit.
Need me to come down with it? Alright, so now that we got it up in the air, we realize we're probably going to have to take off the anti-roll bars, or just the links for them, and then we'll probably just loosen these, or take these off, I guess, whatever, and then hopefully that'll allow the rear end to sag down enough to get the springs out from the top. It should. We'll find out. We'll be back. Alright, let's move this over here. And we'll put this right underneath the pumpkin.
I guarantee you that doesn't go high enough.
Doesn't go high enough? I bet it will. Alright, we got these loose already. Got the nuts off of these. As soon as we pick up some pressure on here, we'll slide these out. But right now I guess me and Cody got a bet going on if this will go high enough or not. Just for the record, it went up high enough. Yeah. Alright, so we're taking the tires and wheelless off because we're hitting right there. Hopefully that'll allow us enough pivot room to where we can get the extra springs out. How not to remove your springs. Perfect. Just as planned. Damn, yours is longer.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
Let's see if these are easier to install.
Yes.
Much easier. Alright, we got those in. We haven't tightened anything yet, but we got everything on. It's way easier putting together. We'll go ahead and tighten everything down and then put the tires on it, see if they still fit, and lower it down. Alright, so yeah, we'll lower it down. Got to pull the little levers, release the locks. Comes down a little crooked, but that's okay. We got everything tightened up. Now we're just going to put the wheelless back on and see how everything looks. Hopefully they still fit because they're really big tires. And I don't know, we'll see if they rub or not. Alright, got the wheelless back on. Moment of truth. It's probably not going to be any lower. It's gonna be a lot more. It's probably gonna be much too low.
For real. We're gonna lower it down. It's just gonna puncture the tires. Go all the way to the ground. Ooh, boy!
Oh yes.
Yes!
Oh, yes!
That looks way better. What do you think, Cody?
It's so much better, dude.
Oh,
Now we just need some fancy wheels.
Nah, man. Stop it with all that fancy wheel stuff. Yo, I like it way better. Here, hold this. I'm gonna bounce on it.
Crunch. Oh yeah.
I like it.
That set's hella good.
Oh yeah, way better. For sure.
Love it.
Yes. Alright, here's a little walk around. We got it outside. Looks way better, man. Front end will go down whenever we actually put the engine back in. And we can lower it, the front end, if we need to with the engine in, because it has coilovers. So, shouldn't be too bad. We've done a lot to make the car look really good. We've lightened it up a little bit. We have done absolutely zero to make it go faster. But we will. I actually just dropped the engine off at the machine shop today. We're going to get them to put new cam bearings in it. That should be all they're going to do is clean it, put new cam bearings in it, and then we'll get it back and start building it. And after we get the engine built, then we'll put the engine trans in. It really shouldn't take us too long because I think we have most of the parts and stuff. Just kind of depends on how long the machine shop will take, and then with my work schedule, because I'm about to go on nights. Hopefully we'll have a running car within like a month or something, maybe, we'll see. Shouldn't be too bad though. I also got my block back today for my car, so that'll be going back together pretty soon. Lots of stuff to do.